There's only one thing better than monthly dividends, and that's more monthly dividends. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, I'm gonna go over 4 more monthly dividend stocks that I've been keeping my eye on and has been in my watch list for a long time. Monthly dividend stocks are great to have in your portfolio. They provide very stable income, especially if you pick the right companies. So let's just jump right into the Robinhood portfolio and take a look at all the monthly dividend stocks that I'm talking about. This is my Robinhood challenge. I deposit $100 into my Robinhood portfolio every week. I buy, sell, and mostly collect dividends. If you want to join me, there's a link in the description. When you sign up, you get a free stock. These are some of the stocks that you might be able to get: Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, CenturyLink, Energy Transfer. And the best part, there's no commissions on any trades. So that means you can buy one stock and you don't have to pay any commissions on that trade. So back to my portfolio, I'm at $3,105. Today is a red day for me. I'm down about $5.50. On the week, I'm at $108. On the month, I'm up $360. The 3-month, I'm up $500. 1 year, I'm up $460. And the greatest of all, I'm finally up again on my all-time chart here. I first began trading penny stocks in 2017. I lost a lot of money, probably in the $500 range. And now I'm finally in the green after all this time. Penny stock trading wasn't for me, so I had to switch up my strategy. My new strategy is to invest for the long term into really great companies like Apple and Microsoft, Nike, and also to collect dividends, monthly dividends, quarterly dividends, annual dividends from all different types of companies. So I want to stick with the tradition to open some of the free rewards I got from my subscribers. I'm gonna start off with one from Matthew. I'm gonna open the one right in the middle. Hopefully I get something rare. And instead I got Zanga. The share is worth $5.02. No, I do not want to answer that. Thank you, Daphne. Let's open up the one all the way on the right side. And I got one stock of Groupon for $3.32. For the last stock of the day, I'm gonna open this one from Ken. So thank you, Ken. I'm gonna pick the one on the left here. And something that I've never seen before. What is this? Transentex, worth $2.74. No idea what this company is. I have to do some digging into this company. I don't want to bore you with opening more rewards, so let's save that for the next video. I'm gonna jump in right into the monthly dividend stocks that I want to highlight. So at the moment, I'm currently invested into 7 monthly dividend stocks. And right here on the screen is exactly what I have. And the number next to it, that is how much money I'm invested into each of these stocks. I went over all of these stocks, all the pros and cons, and what I think about them. So if you want to go check that out, I'll link it in the card above. So these monthly dividend stocks are what I regularly invest in each and every week. And I use the dividends to reinvest back into my portfolio. From my research, I know that there are probably 40 plus monthly dividend stocks that are out there on the stock market. So these are the ones I have, and there are a few on my watch list, and those are the ones I want to highlight and go over. So one thing that I want to say about all these monthly dividend stocks that are in my watch list is that the lowest market cap is $2 billion. And there are a lot of stocks out there that are monthly dividend paying, but their market cap is a lot lower than $1 billion. And when a company has less than $1 billion market cap, I'm just not interested in investing in them because it's just such a small company. So the first monthly dividend stock that I want to highlight is PBA. Pembina is $36.59. As you can see on the day, they're doing all right. On the week, they're down 1%. On the month, they're up $3. On the 3-month chart, they're up almost $4. On the year, they're up $3. On the 5-year chart, you can see that there has been some up and down, but overall, they're still 1.7% up. Just from looking at this chart, I can tell that there is not much volatility in Pembina, and I like stocks that are not that volatile when it comes to monthly dividend stocks. Market cap is $18 billion. That means that this company is very big, very mature. Dividend yield is 4.33%. The 52-week high is $37, and the 52-week low is $28. This company is very mature. As you can see, it was founded in 1954, over 70 years old right now. Pembina is a pipeline company and the biggest on this list and one of the riskiest. Pipeline companies are generally a low-risk play in this regard, but this Canadian oil company has struggled as of late. So now let's take a look at how much PBA pays out per month for their dividend. Their ex-dividend date is on February 22, 2019, and the cash amount for the dividends is about 14.5 cents, and it looks like it jumps up between, it's always up and down around 14 cents. Ever since scrolling down here, this is all 2018. 2017, it was still around 14 cents. And in mid 2017, it was around 12 cents. So in the last year, in the last 2-3 years, they have increased their dividends. So just looking through the history, you can see that there is some growth, but not that much. The second monthly dividend stock on my list right here is Shaw's Communication. Right now, it is $20.58. It's moving sideways on the day, not too much volatility there. On the week, it's been down just a little bit. On the month, down up about $1, right? On the 3 months, up $1.17. On the year, up 4%. In the 5-year chart, you can see that it's down about 10%. SJR's market cap is around $10.5 billion. Dividend yield is at 4.59%. This dividend yield is a bit more sustainable, under 5%. The 52 weeks high is $21.50. 52-week low is $17.50. This company is very mature, founded in 1966, over 50 years old. And you can see the volatility is considered low. This is another Canadian company, telecommunications company. The last stock was also a Canadian company. One thing to note about Canadian companies and their monthly dividend payouts, they pay out in Canadian dollars. So I'm not sure how Robinhood, if they exchange it into American dollars and they pay out in American dollars, and I don't know exactly that process, but because I don't own any Canadian stocks at the moment. Shaw's Communication is there if you guys want to try it out. And if you are gonna try it out, let me know. And tell me about the dividend payouts, because do they pay out correctly, or do they convert it and like charge you a fee or anything like that? Yeah, please, if you guys know the difference, let me know. Before I jump into the third monthly dividend stock, please drop a like for me if you've been enjoying this video. It really helps me a lot when the engagements are really high on this video. Thanks. EPR Properties is a commercial real estate investment trust. EPR is also known as Entertainment Properties. EPR specializes in a lot of non-traditional assets such as golf driving ranges, ski parks, water parks, private schools, and a lot more. Their market cap is about $5.5 billion and their dividend yield is about 6.23%. The 52 weeks high is $75. 52 weeks low is about $51. For example, my REITs investments all are in mostly either hospitality, apartment buildings, or residential buildings and commercial buildings, but nothing in entertainment. So this might be a great way to diversify your portfolio if you have all of the similar types of REITs that I have. So the fourth and the last monthly dividend stock on my watch list is Main Street Capital. Right now, they're about $38.97. On the day, they're just going sideways. On the week, up 2%, up 6% on the month. 3 months chart is up almost 3%. On the year, they're up almost 10%. That's pretty crazy. That's a lot of growth. If you look at the 5-year chart, they're up 20%. So there's a lot of growth in this company, Main Street Capital. That's great to see. It's great to see a trend going upwards at all times. The market cap is $2.3 billion. Dividend yield 5.66%. 52 weeks high is $40. The 52 weeks low is about $32. So there's not much volatility in this stock at the moment, which is great. Let's take a look at the dividend history of this company. If we take a look back, we can see that the dividends for the month of each month are around 19 cents at the moment. and it's been that way for the last few months. If we take a look into 2018, the dividends are still about 19 cents. And one thing about Maine, they pay a semi-annual special dividend. So that means there's an extra 2 dividends every year that they pay. I'm not sure why they do that, but the more dividends, the better. So you can see that this company has been increasing their dividend yields year after year. That is a great sign because it's showing growth for the company. So to be honest, the only 2 companies that I see myself purchasing in the next few months are either EPR Properties or Maine. And out of those 2, I'm leaning towards Maine as the champion. All these monthly dividend companies are very small to mid-cap sized, and none of them are on the S&P 500, so that means they're not on one of the biggest companies in the world. One thing to know about monthly dividend stocks and dividend stocks in general is that when a company that is paying dividends, when they're struggling and when they're not doing good, when business is not doing good, they usually tend to cut their dividends. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen. So just be aware of that. Monthly dividend investing and dividend investing in general is not a get rich quick type of thing. So just know that this is a very long-term solution to getting wealthy and getting rich. The main goal with dividend investing is to be able to cover your expenses every month. For example, myself, I would need about $4,000 every month to be able to cover all my expenses, and those are just the bare minimum. And currently, I'm not anywhere close to that. And it's gonna take me many years to get to that level unless I win the lottery or something. And try to invest for the long term because I think that's the smartest way to go. That's all I have for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, please drop a like, subscribe for more content exactly like this. I come up with about 4 videos a week now, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay rich, guys. Bye.